What's going on, YouTube? I'm Fresh. Welcome back to Freshcasso 1 TV, where the objective is to get better every single day. Now today I'm coming from the Limitless Grooming Lounge, located at 206 North Trenton, Ruston, Louisiana. We booked through a service called Squire. If you're in the area, if you live here, or you're coming through the area and you want to book with us, we booked through Squire. I'm gonna put the link down in the description. And yeah, go ahead, like, share, subscribe.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And turn on that bell so you can receive my new content as I drop it. Now, today I'm coming with a video about the infamous Bevel Pro. Yeah, and before I rate this thing, man, I want y'all to know that I don't give anything a 10. I feel like everything has room for improvement, so the highest I go up is a 9. Yeah, so I'm gonna jump right in and tell y'all the things that I learned about this Bevel Pro clipper trimmer combo. The Bevel Pro comes with 2 blades. They ran a promotion that came with 3 blades. If you missed out on that, then that's on you because you missed out. All the blades cut very smooth. Very sharp. I have one issue with this blade, the cutter blade, the clipper blade, and another person on my YouTube said they noticed the same thing. Now, the only thing that I have a problem with this clipper blade is that when it's closed, it sounds like this, right? As time goes on, things wear and they settle in. When this clipper is settled in, when you open it up, it gets louder, right? That doesn't impact the quality of the cut or anything, but it's a noticeable difference from closed to open. Now, I didn't notice that issue with the T-blade. It's pretty much the same. The T-blade closed, T-blade open. It's pretty much the same. I didn't notice it with the square blade either. So that's one thing that I noticed. Another thing that I noticed is the battery life on the bevel for me, because I'm a very busy barber. And I typically don't like to plug up my cordless clippers. I prefer a dock. I believe Bevel is working on a dock to put the clipper in, so that that won't be an issue after that. But yeah, I feel like it definitely needs the dock, because I'm definitely gonna need 2 pair if I'm gonna be using them like this so that I can rotate them. So I'll probably be ordering another pair until the dock comes out. The guard system is a very good guard system. The magnets are very strong. I haven't had one blade fall off. The material is nice. It's very smooth. I did break one of the teeth on the Zero, but I also broke one of the teeth on my Zero for the Andes. So that was kind of expected, being that it's a thinner guard. Other than that, it came with a nice bag. It came with, of course, a nice product. And for that, I don't see anything wrong with the functionality of the clipper, except that the charge time isn't where I would like it to be, and the blade, after a week's use, it started getting louder, which was expected. All the clippers do get louder after you use them. But for that, I will have to rate the Bevel Pro a 8.5. And that's very high considering that I only go to 9. I'm not biased to this company. I also rate the Fast Feed a 8.5. And the reason why I rated that a 8.5 is because I don't like the texture of the plastic that they use. Like I said, I'm a very, very picky barber. And yeah, I got my picks and chooses about things. I like things a certain way. So, like I said, there you have it. Bevel, you made a very solid product. I give it an 8.5. It's not really out of 10, it's out of 9. So that's pretty good, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in to Freshcasso 101 TV, where the objective is to get better every single day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Also, again, anything that you want to learn, anything that you see me do, or anything that you would like to see me do, leave it in the comments, and I will respond with footage. So, yeah, appreciate y'all sliding through, and I'm gone.